The course Enjoy of the World composed 2 units and consolidated sensation. The units will work the student is let me check units amusement. Each unit composed the similar structure, knowledge, learning guides, content presentation, the activities toward the unit, practice, discussion forum, more practice around the concept, the grammar, and finally, review unit. The idea that the student will work the course of the sequencing manner. For example, I will hope the student to start pre-knowledge, for example. Example, pre-knowledge on only one and similar page content. The instruction can be objective, necessary, the skills to learn the student for activity and the instruction how interactive the activity. The idea is the student in the activity or interactive and next the content and sequence way all the course.